So, as you can probably tell, I am tired. It is, I think I've been doing this for maybe 1.5 to 2 months, walking, not just what you saw, but I actually walk a lot more than that. I just wanted to show you the steps that I do. This is my 8th time in a row of making it up the stairs without stopping, which is amazing, because the first time I came up here, every 2 steps I stopped. Like literally, I couldn't do it. Actually, the first time that I came up here, I couldn't even make it all the way to this point. I stopped way back there. But yeah, 8 days ago, my brother was like, okay, when we get to the stairs, you're not gonna stop until you get to the top. And I was like, what? And I wanted to stop so bad, because I was tired, I was out of breath, I literally felt like I was dying. And I made it. I made it up all the way up here. And my brother said to me, if you don't put your mind into thinking that you can do it, you're never going to make it. So the next day, my brother ended up not coming with me, because I think he was tired and it looked like it was going to rain. So I ended up going by myself. I decided I'm going to walk up the whole lot of stairs by myself, and I'll do it in one straight go. And that was my second day. My second day was just walking up there without stopping. And I did it. I wanted to stop so bad. My legs were sore. I was having trouble breathing. But I made it. Which made me feel really happy. Of course, I had to sit here for like 20 minutes so I could recover, so I could walk back down, because my legs were shaking, and like I said, I don't have great breathing control. And I still don't. I need to work on that, but the first thing I'm going to work on is trying to make it up here without feeling so tired. It's only been my 8th time coming up here without stopping. And it's definitely not going to be my last. And I know this is really longer than my normal videos, because they are time lapses. And this one's not. But I just wanted to share this moment, because my 8th time doing it, I made it. I put my head into the spot where I can do it. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to push myself, and I'm going to make it up there in one shot. And I did. I made it up there in one shot. Now all I have to do is get my breathing under control, make it up here without being tired, and then when my brother walks with me, I'll try and beat him to the top. Which will be hard. Seriously, trust me, it'll be hard. But yeah. Isn't that a nice view? I could stare at that all day. But unfortunately, I do not have the time. And, yeah, I will be doing this walk quite a lot. But, I think I'll also, because I want to put out more videos, and I can't obviously just keep videoing the exact same thing. I will keep videoing me doing the stairs. Sometimes I won't talk when I get to the top. Sometimes I will. Sometimes it'll be in time lapse. But way over there, way over there. I don't know if you can see. Try and zoom in. Up there, it looks like kind of like a tent, but it's actually a water thing, water tower thing. I plan on walking up there one day, and there's a few other walks that I can do that I can actually walk to and then do the walk, which is basically what I do. I do walks. I suck at this. I suck at everything. I get it. I know probably no one's going to watch this, so I don't think it really matters whether I suck at it or not. It's really just for me, kind of. I don't know. Maybe there's somebody out there that might want to watch this crap, but I don't think it'll ever be me. I wouldn't want to re-watch my stuff. I wouldn't watch my stuff. No, actually I would watch my stuff. Because I'd be like, yeah, I made it up there. I put my head in the game and I got up there. I did it. And if I can do it, anyone can do it. But yeah, that is it. If you see this, thanks for watching. I don't know. I don't know. I can't end the thing. I will figure out a way to end this stuff. But yeah, for now, see ya.